Well, it's time to move on page number 9. So on the top, you can see an instruction is given. Let's read out that instruction. Read the clues to identify the fishes given below. Pick your answer from the help box. So at the end of the page, a green color box is given in which fishes' names are written, and you have to pick up the answer, pick up the name of the fish according to the clues given in your book. So let's start with the very first clue. They are named so for their bird-like beak, which they use to scrape up corals. They are tropical fish and have bright colors. They are found near coral reefs in the tropical oceans around the world. So guess which fish is this? Yes, you are right. This is a parrotfish. So it's named so because of their bird-like beak. It resembles to the parrot's beak, and it's very helpful to scrape up the corals. Now let's move to the next one. Wow, they derive their name from their method of fishing. The foremost spine of their dorsal fin has been modified into a rod fishing shaped structure tipped with a fleshy bait hanging from their head. Baitfish, goosefish, and frogfish are types of this fish. So can you guess which fish is this? Very good. You are right, absolutely right. This is anglerfish. Beautiful picture. Let's find out which fish is this, and let me give you the hint. It's also known as tanks. These fish are small scaled with a single dorsal fin. Their sharp spines are located on either side of their tail base. These fish are mostly algae eaters. So can you guess which fish is this? Absolutely right. You are right. This is a surgeon fish. There are small scales near the fins which can give deep wound on the skin. So it is also known as doctor fish. Now let's move to this one. The picture is given in your book also. They are found in tropical oceans and known to live among the sea anemone, earning them the name of anemone fish. The movie Finding Nemo led to their demand to triple in aquariums. So this is a clownfish because it has bold strokes on its body just like the Joker's face painted. So it resembles to the face, clown's face, painted with the bold marks. And the last one, these fish are found in tropical and subtropical regions. They are flattened bodies with elongated snouts, which are flat and edged with strong teeth. They can grow up to 7 meters or more in length. So can you guess which fish is this? Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. This is a sawfish because it seems to the carpenter's saw. It has sharp teeth. So it is named so because it resembles with the carpenter's saw. So that's why it is also named as sawfish, and it is near about 7 meters, or it could be more in length. So hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So at the last, I must suggest you do learn page number 8 and 9 and keep on learning your things on the regular basis. Thank you.